In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images into shapes in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to turn a regular image into a clean, shape-based crop using Figma's masking tools, which is perfect for avatars, thumbnails, and polished UI elements. First, open your browser, head to Google, type Figma, and open the official website. If you're already signed in, great. Go right in. If you're using the desktop app, that works the same way. Once you're in your file, make sure you're working in the design area so you can access the core tools we'll use today. Next, add your image to the canvas. The simplest way is to drag and drop an image from your computer into Figma, or use the image placement option from the toolbar if you prefer. Resize it as needed, and position it where you want the crop to focus. It helps to think ahead about the composition, so the most important part of your image will sit inside the shape later. Now create the shape that will define the crop. Open the Shape tools and choose the ellipse. Click and drag to draw it over the image. If you want a perfect circle, hold Shift while dragging. Place and size the ellipse to frame exactly what you want to keep. You can use other shapes too. Rectangles, triangles, stars. Everything works the same way. Right-click the shape and choose Send to Back so it sits behind the image. This helps you see the image while you line things up. Quick note: Figma's masking uses the topmost layer as the mask. If, after masking, you get an unexpected result, simply adjust the layer order so the shape is on top before you apply the mask. With your image and shape ready, select both together. Then click Use as Mask. You'll instantly see the image cropped to the shape's outline. If something looks off, don't worry. Double-click into the masked group to fine-tune. You can move the image within the mask, resize the ellipse, or adjust the overall group until it looks perfect. You're not destroying the image. Everything remains editable. A couple of quick finishing touches. If you want a border around your cropped shape, select the mask group and add a stroke. To swap the image later, keep the mask and replace only the content inside the group. And remember, this same workflow works for any shape you choose. That's it. You've just learned how to crop images into shapes in Figma using a simple, flexible masking workflow.